Thanks, Kimberly. Questions are being raised following the fatal shooting of a man by the police during an operation in the Jonestown community yesterday. Now, while investigators say the man pointed a firearm at officers, relatives and residents are disputing that account, insisting the man did not have a gun. Yannick Williams has details.
That's why we tell him to come in, come see. Aki there on the bed, see there? That the man deal it, see there? And then say gun, so he gun there.
Tears, disbelief, and unanswered questions now surround the death of Alexander Marsh, a Jonestown man who was fatally shot during a police operation. According to the police, officers were conducting operations in the area when they observed Marsh walking along a roadway. Investigators say his behavior aroused suspicion, prompting the team to follow him. The police allege that Marsh entered a yard and pointed a firearm at the officers who followed. Fearing for their lives, the lawmen opened fire, hitting him. Marsh was rushed to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. However, family members are strongly rejecting the police's version of events, insisting that Alexander, who earned a living picking and selling akis, was simply preparing for his day's work when officers approached him.
When we reach at the gate, one police stand up right on this, so, and him say, "Me can't go in." I say, "Why me can't go in?" Him say, "Because police operation." I say, "What kind of operation?" And I in them I live. I'm a nephew, I'm a cousin. They right there, so why me can't go in? Him say, "Cause the police, then when them dead with my nephew, them a scramble out the metal, the scrap metal, some of them." And I say, "Look, you know, look what we are do, look what him a do." And him say, "Them dead." And then them fire two shot. And when him run out, the police were there, so dry and fling him there, so. And when me I go over him, the two police them ease me off, them run out of the other and ease me off and say, you can't this and that.
I better lick off of this man about Chiaka. So them pick up the wall of this, so.
Them a dig up and tell him stand up and don't move.
And then them
stand up and don't move. You look at him turn back so like him move come back. Him push and tell him say don't move. Look what them a do and them shot him right here.
Residents claim officers quickly removed him from the scene, preventing them from getting a clear view of what had happened.
Them all come last night and I show pictures say, if I in this, and the people them say no, so they must say a misidentity.
The incident has left relatives and community members demanding answers and an independent investigation into the circumstances that led to Alexander's death.
Yeah. A church meeting and the pastor come when I put somebody in the church come pick her. I said somebody dead round the road. So when we reach at the corner, they see a chocobo. They say why chocobo? Them kill little boy innocent. A cold-blooded murder that them they get nothing for the little boy.
When TVJ News contacted the police, they noted that there has been ongoing conflicts in the area.
There's an active investigation being undertaken by the Independent Commission of Investigation, as also our internal Inspectorate of Professional Standards and Oversight Bureau. So I'm asking persons who may have information that can assist with the investigation to communicate their knowledge of what transpired.
They say 12 murders have occurred since January and 15 illegal firearms have been seized, with targeted operations to continue. In the meantime, relatives are appealing to authorities for justice. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.